Good morning, guys. So just this video is done on request. You wanted to know what I eat, kind of how carb cycling works. So I'm going to take you, today's my low carb day. So I'm going to take you through my low carb day. So first thing in the morning, I have coffee. I have lots of coffee. So for breakfast, you guys, I am going to be having oatmeal. So this is all based on my macros too. So I have about half a cup of oatmeal. There, that might be a little more than half a cup. It's okay. It's not gonna hurt me. And then I pour water into it. And I love cinnamon in my oatmeal. So that would be my carb, you guys. Oatmeal. That would be my carb. So now I'm going to put it in the microwave for probably about like 45 seconds. Alright, you guys, my oatmeal is cooked. So it just looks like that. So you never want to put your protein powder in before you cook it. You always want to add it after. So I'm going to add some Beyond Yourself maple syrup pancakes. So good. So it makes it taste like maple pancakes. It makes it taste like that maple oatmeal or brown sugar and maple oatmeal. So it's so good. And then I add lots of cinnamon. And then I'm going to add a little bit of coconut and cashew butter for my fat to the top of it. And then a little bit of Walden's Farms. Did you guys see that? Walden's Farms pancake syrup. It's calorie-free, sugar-free, although I'm not quite sure how that works. So you want to stir it really good. Mix it in really well with the protein powder. Just one little tip is when you're making it, make sure the oatmeal is cooked all the way and it's not watery, because anything you add protein powder to, it can tend to make it more liquidy. Don't know why. So just make sure that your oatmeal is like fully cooked and then add it, because it will make it a bit more, I don't know what the word is for it. I guess like more creamier. And then I'm going to add pancake syrup to it and some nuts. You guys have it. So that is my breakfast today. It is about 350 calories. It's got about 30 grams of protein, 35 grams of carbs, and about 12 grams of fat. That being said, I do not keep track of my macros. I kind of just know from eating, and I eat intuitively too. So sometimes I probably don't hit all my macros, and I'm okay with that. I listen to what my body says, and if I'm not hungry, I'm not going to force myself to eat. But that being said, I try not to go more than 3 to 4 hours without eating. And that is my breakfast. It doesn't look as pretty because you'll notice my Instagram photos are a lot more prettier than this, but I'm not going to take a picture. I'm just going to eat. I have to get my girls ready this morning, get them up. My oldest has to be on the bus at 7:20, and then my little one's going to daycare today, and I have to do some work because we finally have the hashtag MOMLIFE Fit Club launched. And that is where you log in and you have an online membership. You can have one with the meal plans and the workouts, or just the workouts. So we're going to be doing an awesome promotion for you guys for Black Friday in November. We're going to do it all month. So be sure to sign up for my newsletter. You can go to my website, fitnessministry.ca. And also, when you sign up for the newsletter, you'll be getting notified when those awesome promotions will be available. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this if you want to see more, and leave a comment if you've tried this recipe or you give it a try and you like it. If you carb cycle, let me know what you think about it. Leave comments in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in a bit for my next meals. Bye. I forgot one thing, you guys. first thing in the morning, after I have my coffee, these are some things that I take. After I had my implants out, I realized even during I had some stomach issues and stuff like that. So I take veggie greens. I take a scoop of that. I also got prescription digestive enzymes because a lot of the time, well, for the longest time, I thought I had food intolerances. And so I went and seen lots of naturopaths and did blood work, even the doctors, and nothing would come up. So it just ended up being that my body didn't break down proteins, carbs, and fats very well. So now that I take a digestive enzyme, and I got like strong ones from the doctor, it breaks down my food for me. So I don't end up being bloated after meals anymore. So if you have any of those issues, go talk to your doctor, because it could just be that you just need to take a really good digestive enzyme, as well as I take probiotics at bedtime. Another thing that I mix in betaine and, I'll just show you guys. Betaine. So I started taking this. This is for your liver. It's for depression. It's for anxiety. We just ordered off online, and it actually made my liver go down even more. So your liver enzymes, you want them lower. You don't want them high. Someone with Hep C would have their liver enzymes would be like almost in the thousands or hundreds. So you want your liver between 11 to 35. And so before I had my implants, my liver was at 32, so it was at the higher end, but it was still healthy. And then after I'd been taking this after my surgery, and when I went to get it, it was at 22 or 27, I'm not quite sure, but it went down. And so I think this stuff works really well. So same thing, if you've had implants, you have liver issues, go check this stuff out. I will put everything in the comments in the notes section below too. And then you guys, I also take glutamine. So glutamine isn't just for muscle soreness, it is for your gut health as well. So it really helps have a healthy gut. So that's what I take it for, and muscle soreness, it helps with that. So I mix it just in a shaker, you guys, and I take my digestive enzyme before I eat. So I just mix it, and my veggie greens is pineapple coconut. It's so good. And then I just drink it back really fast, and then I eat my oatmeal. So I just wanted to show you guys that bit of a morning routine that I have that has helped my gut and my stomach issues. So they will be in the show notes below, so check those out. Hey moms, and ladies and women and everybody that's watching this, I just thought I would show you what I put in my kids' lunches just for ideas. Now, I'm not one of those like crazy organic, like my kids can't eat anything. I usually give them in their lunch what we had for dinner the night before, and if not, I'll give them like a sandwich or something like that, but I'll kind of show you what I've got in their lunch. Last night I was tired, like total mom life. I made them mac and cheese with hot dogs, so she's gonna have that today in her lunch. And then I've cut up a veggie. I like to try to make sure she has all her macros too. Fruit, a little treat. It's early dismissal day, so these are rice chips. Some type of flavor, I forget. And then a yogurt. And then a veggie. And that will be her food today. So, yeah, I'm not too picky with food. I try to make sure that they eat healthy, get a veggie, get a fruit, and a carb. And they are kids. They need more carbohydrates as their brains are thinking at school. And their glucose is the main energy source that they need. So I make sure that they eat pretty healthy with, they do get treats and stuff once in a while, or they would eat them every day if they could. So yeah, sometimes I make them eat really healthy, and other days, you guys, I'm just too tired, and some days we'll have a bowl of cereal for dinner. That's just the way it is, and I'm sure all the moms watching this can relate to that. So that's in my daughter's lunch. I will see you guys with my next meal. I just wanted to mention the only thing that I don't really let my kids have is juice and pop. Pop, never. I just do not give my kids pop. I just feel like it's giving them poison. They drink lots of water. So like in their lunches, in their pack sacks, they have this huge thing of water. They very rarely get juices. They do drink milk. Very rarely will I give them juice because then they just don't eat their food. I've sent juice boxes in their lunch before and they don't eat their food or their healthy food. They leave all the vegetables and fruit. So I've just stopped giving juice boxes altogether and they get super, super hyper. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that too. Yeah, she's waiting for the girls to get up. Oh, there they are. Do you hear them? Oh, it's Madison. Are you gonna go get her? Are you waiting for her? Are you waiting for her? Are you waiting for her? Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you what I'm eating for lunch. I was so worried because every time I try to do this for you guys, I forget until I've eaten my food. So remember, it's my low carb day. I'll show you what leftover chicken that we cooked in the Instapot, which I'm loving these days. It's curried chicken. It's got curry. It's got garum malsa. I can't pronounce it. So good. Super obsessed with curry right now. So I've got chicken breast that's cut up. And then I've got, I love these. I got them from Costco. They're called Balanced Snacks. So I've got cheddar cheese and some nuts. I can't eat these little cherry, the little, what are they called? Craisins, because they are carbs. So it's high fat protein day for me. I ate at about 6:30. It's almost 10. So yeah, I am just working right now. And I need to stop to eat because a lot of the time when I'm working, I have a hard time stopping to eat because I just want to keep working. I'm really trying to figure out how to use MailChimp to create automations for my business. I'm learning this online business thing all by myself, and well, I have my assistant Sonia. She does lots of work for me too, but yeah, just learning marketing and things like that. So if any of you ladies are online business women and you know some tips and tricks for marketing or some good sites or good videos, please put them in the comment box below. I would love that. That'd be amazing. And yeah, if you want to know anything about what I've done to build my business, comment below too. I would be happy to do a video on that for you guys. Not saying that I'm super successful or anything or like have made it, because I'm still in the midst of learning and growing, and it's fun because I'm passionate about helping you guys become the best versions of yourself. So it's lots of fun. It's just lots of work trying to do the mom life on top of everything and be a wife and still have me time. It's finding that balance that I'm finding challenging right now. I'm finding challenging because, I feel tired most days, and it really takes everything I have, especially working at home, to not turn on the TV or to not want to crawl under the blankets and just watch a show, because when I get overwhelmed or I get stressed, that's what I tend to want to do. I just want to shut everything out. So I'm just really learning to find my focus and really learning to do the things I need to do no matter how I feel. And so anyways, there's a little spew for you guys. I will see you at my next meal. What's up, guys? I'm back for my third meal. So I will show you guys what that is. I'm working out pretty quick, so I don't want to eat anything heavy. I've got a protein shake, and then I've got celery with peanut butter. Now I ran out of my healthy nut butter, so I'm just using normal peanut butter with the teddy bear on it. So probably like 1.5 tablespoons. I'm not quite sure, I didn't measure. I just kind of know from guesstimating how much I can have. And then in here I used cashew milk, vanilla unsweetened for my protein shake, and it's chocolate mousse protein shake by Beyond Yourself. So that is my third low carb meal. And I have to eat that, and then I'm probably just gonna work out at home today. I'll do my workout. I've been loving my workouts from my program because I made them, you guys, so that I need something to fit my lifestyle. Whether a mom, whether a working woman that doesn't have a lot of time, these workouts are meant to maximize fat burning while minimizing your time in the gym. And I think that's key. I love to work out. I would work out longer if I could, but I don't have time because I have other things to focus on. So I'll do what I can. So I'm going to take you guys through my workout today. And again, if you have any questions, everything will be in the show notes, links, everything. And you can always email me at ask@fitnessministry.ca. For dinner, I'm doing chicken thighs with the bone in. And I'm going to cut up carrots too and cut up these. I'm going to put some oil on them and some of this Jamaican jerk, and I'm gonna bake these. So I'm gonna bake the baked cauliflower and the broccoli, and then I'm gonna put a Dijon maple syrup sauce on the chicken. You guys, I've added like a Dijon, a creamy Dijon, pure maple syrup and cayenne pepper, and then I'm just gonna stir it, and then I'm gonna spread it on the chicken. Dinner, all cooked, low carb dinner, grilled veggies, yum, have it. Okay, you guys, I'm now doing my workout, and now I have my kids home. I don't know where the other one is. Because I got to the gym today after my last meal when I told you guys, and my husband calls me and goes, "How does Poppy look?" Apparently, I forgot that I was supposed to take her to the groomers today. So I'm like, "Oh, great, honey, I gotta go." Left the gym, rushed the dog to the groomers. I'm like, now I have to get the girls, so I'm gonna have to do it with them here. So I'll show you guys what I'm doing today. So here's my program. So today we've got a full body because I missed yesterday's workout because I wasn't feeling. All right, had some technical difficulties, including having your kids while you work out. But I'm gonna try to get this done, even though the music wouldn't work, nothing wanted to work today. It's such a beautiful, beautiful day out. I don't really feel like working out, but I'm gonna make myself. Moms, ladies, women, 20 minutes, we can do this. So here we go. So I'm doing a full body, you guys. I'm gonna start with good mornings, and then I'm gonna go to rows, and then I'm gonna go to in-out kettlebell swings, and then I'm gonna do a deadlift, a dumbbell deadlift.